Hey, I was hoping to get some help. I have a 1982 KZ 440 LTD A. This is the chain drive. And I've been able to kind of get all of my, I'm kind of disassembling the bike, and I got this bike as a gift. And I've been trying to put the bike back together, and I've got down to these last three wires. I've got a white and black wire with this connection on it. I've got a yellow wire with the black stripe, the same connection as the white one with the black stripe. And then I have this one here, and I have no idea what this connects to, the white and black one or the yellow and black one. I don't know if I'm missing a part or something. I didn't get the bike complete. I'm not sure. But if somebody can help me, let me know what's missing or where those connections go. I sure would appreciate it. Thank you.